What's up guys? We're gonna go ahead and get started. We're gonna create this part right here, which is the wheel part of the Lego. So let's go ahead and get started. Go to File, New, Part, OK. Always remember when you're doing these Legos, always click here and go to MMGS. So don't get started without doing this. Make sure this is done. Alright, so let's go ahead and sketch on the top plane. Go to Sketch. Let's go ahead and sketch the shape. So we're going to go ahead and start from this point. Make sure it's yellow. So start from here. I'm going to draw the shape. Make sure it's vertical, horizontal, angled, horizontal, angled, and then back to this. Okay. If this isn't horizontal, don't worry about it. Just hit the escape button twice or once, and then click on this line and go horizontal. Okay. So it needs to be made with this number of lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you messed up, just go ahead and select it, or select the number of lines. Hit delete. Click on it, delete. Click on it, hit delete. Okay. Just make sure that you have those number of lines. Escape button. This is what we're looking for. Alright, let's go ahead and add some dimensions. So smart dimension. This first dimension is 16. 16. Okay. This dimension is 8. This dimension, let's go ahead and start with this one. This one is 4. This one is 8. This one is 6. See, if it does this, hit the X button. That's not the dimension I'm looking for. So if you click on it like that and hit delete, it'll delete it. Let's go ahead and add another dimension. It should be angled, something like this. Okay, so that will be 7.2. And then this one right here will be 7.2. What we want is a full black drawing. So you see how this is all black. This is fully defined down here. That's what we're looking for. So let's go ahead and go to Features, Extrude. We're going to extrude this by 1. So go to 1. Hit check. That's what we want. Alright. Next shape that we want is to draw 2 circles. So let's go ahead and click here. Click here. Go normal to it. Now go to Sketch, Sketch, and then the circle. So sketch 2 circles. Okay. And add dimensions just like we've done with the other. So here to here is 4. Here to here is 4. Here to here is 4. Okay, so center to this edge is 4. Now the last part is to click on the circle. Click on this, don't click on the center, click on this edge. And that's 4. And this one is 4. You should have something like this. Okay. Once it's all black and fully defined, go to Features, Extrude, and we're going to extrude this by 2. So go to the left, type in 2, check. This is what we're looking for. Okay. Now let's go ahead and go to the top of this area again. Click on this surface, go to normal to. We're going to go to Sketch, Sketch, and then we're going to draw a line. We're going to start off by clicking here. Here. See how there's an orange line? That's what we want to follow the edge. So you see all these are black already? Now the next step is a little harder, but we're going to click here. It doesn't matter where you try to move it. See how like right now, I'm going to zoom in. We don't want to click just anywhere. We want to make sure that, see how there's that double lines? That means that it's parallel to this line right here. So we want it parallel. Okay. I'm going to click here, go up. We want it to be vertical. Now we want the other one to be parallel too. So see how it turns on the parallels? We want to follow that parallel all the way. And we want to make sure that it's straight up. So parallel, and then click here and go straight up. Okay. That's the shape we're going for. We'll go ahead and get your smart dimensions. We're going to add a dimension from this line to this line. this dimension won't work unless these two shapes are parallel. Okay. So from here to here is 1. And then from here to here is 1. So you click on the lines. See how everything is black, fully defined? I'm going to go to Features, Extrude. I'm going to rotate it so you can see what's happening. I'm going to extrude this by 3. So select this by 3. Check. Good. So now let's move on to the next step. We're going to click on this face right here. We're going to go normal to. We're going to go to Sketch, Sketch, and we're going to draw a circle. So let's go and draw a circle here. Let's add dimensions. So from here, from this edge to the center is 4. Just check my dimensions. Oh, it's actually not 4. It is 2. And then from this edge to this edge, it's 2. This circle here, you click on it, you drag it out. That dimension is 3. So this is the shape. See how it's fully defined and it's black. So let's go ahead and go to Features, Extrude. I'm going to rotate it a little so we can see what's happening. And we're going to extrude it by 8. So select this number, 8, enter, hit check. This is the shape we're looking for. For the last step, you need to make sure that everything is this, like the shape is correct. Okay, this is the shape we're looking for. For the next step, you're going to go ahead and on their features, you're going to go move to the right, and there's a linear pattern. We're going to click on this little arrow, not on this. If you click on this, it's going to be wrong. So hit the X. You need to click on the drop arrow. Click on the drop arrow, go to mirror. Alright, for this box, I'm going to select there. You need to select this face. Okay. Now, if yours is hidden like this, you need to open it up and you need to go to bodies to mirror. So click on this box, select the face, any face, go to full preview. Alright, so it should be something like this. Hit check. And you get this is it. That's the part that we're trying to build. Okay, color it in, save it as part. Save it as part 9.